Hello friends, today we are learning how to make money with playing video games. So let's start the video without wasting your time. Have you considered monetizing your gaming habit with all the ways you can get paid? It's one of the newest ways to make money online, and unlike other side hustle and side jobs, it can be tons of fun. Play video games, get paid, play video games, post them on social media, get paid. Pretty awesome, right? Despite what your 8th grade English teacher might you told you can earn extra cash playing video games. Many people turn their love of Grand Theft Auto, Pokemon and mobile games into part-time or even full-time income. Again, all by just being able to play video games. If you are already gaming, why not take it to the next level? Monetize your fun and help pad you with your bank. Here are several ways you can earn and game at the same time. How to make money with playing video games. In recent years, there are far more opportunities for monetizing your video game hobby than you might imagine. We have pulled together the top 15 ways to work toward making money playing your favorite video games. Number 1, get paid directly to play. Try Mist Play. Mist Play is an excellent app available on Android that is great way to monetize playing video games on your phone. The app's main focus is on providing users an environment to participate in games. In exchange for prize, users can join in-app games to receive gift cards to various retailers such as Amazon, Google Play, and even virtual Visa gift cards through the earning of point. With Mist Play, you are eligible to receive compensation from the minute you start playing. You can even play with your friends and level up your waiter to unlock achievement and earn units faster. They also support user communications and offer a chat feature encouraging connections amongst participants. Another important note is that user will not pay any fees to download, join or play games in Mist Play. There are several other options for apps to monetize gameplay, but Mist Play is definitely at the top of our list. GameHack play free online games to collect soul games and exchange them for rewards, earn free Robux, prepaid Mastercard and more. Play games, complete tasks and get reward. Video game coaching, one of the coolest ways to make money playing video games by offering to coach your favorite competitive game such as League of Legends. Video game coaches make anywhere from $20 to $200 per hour depending on how good they are and how in demand their services are. For example, Metaphor, a League of Legends coach mentioned in the YouTube section, offers coaching service of $15 to $80 per hour. Getting started as the coach typically means gaining an audience through a platform like YouTube and offering your services to your audience. So friends, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching full videos. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Subscribe for more informative videos. Good job.